Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you are seeing me for the first time, my name is Aishat. I am a YouTuber based in Abuja. It is with me, you know the vibe. So guys, today we'll be taking noodles for sahur, and sincerely, even though people may think I eat much, I actually don't eat much, but I just have this big body, so I understand where it's coming from, Sha. After eating, I talked to my creator, then I decided to just journal. One thing that have been keeping me company since I came to Abuja is writing my journal. It's a safe space. It's just like communicating with a person, but instead of a person, I am telling my book everything I'm going through in real time. So I was journaling and I was also editing a video. It was one of my Ramadan video. I just feel at peace whenever I journal. Like I feel like okay, I have told my diary everything and I just feel relaxed and peaceful. For some of us that love to keep things to ourselves, this is the best way we can express how we feel in real time, and I would advise you to start journaling if you want to. It's not compulsory, but if you want, journaling is very beautiful. It helps your sanity a lot and I highly recommend it. After journaling, I decided to go to the gym. There's a reason why I went to the gym. I will tell you guys very soon. I just want to show you guys my gym. There's nothing much here. I just want to show you guys my gym. Welcome back. I could not finish the introduction this morning. I just came back from the gym. Guys, I'm so tired, but I want to go to work. This vlog actually is going to be all around the place. The truth is, I discovered that I have not made a proper video, not a short video, a proper vlog, like a day in my life as a copper where they serve a father's land. You guys know the series when I was in camp. I discovered that I do not even make a post-camp edition. So I want you guys to know how it feels to be a copper is serving in Abuja post-camp edition. We're in the month of Ramadan. I don't know if I said it earlier, but today I'm heading to work. Let me know, I've not been going to the gym. Why I went to the gym today is because yesterday people gave me food. I don't know, there's a lot of gist. I don't know how this vlog come out, but I know this particular vlog is coming out after Ramadan, like April. There's a vlog that's supposed to come out before this vlog. If it comes out, you'll understand. So I said it in the vlog that I had a fire accident and it destroyed my face and I couldn't cook again in that vlog. Yesterday I got many food there. Like I had to use some I do sadaka again because guys, I cannot finish that food, I will not lie. So yesterday I forced myself to eat many food and I could not sleep. When I woke up I was feeling bloated. I knew if I don't go to the gym, like I will not be able to move my body again. So I had to go to the gym this morning. So that is why I went to the gym this morning. When I was doing the first introduction, it was quite dark, but now I just came back. It's like after 8. I want to go to work. I do go to work by 9:10. I want to dress for work. By the way, when people do compliment me that I dress well, I dress fine, the truth is I feel I don't even have the money I need to be dressing. When I have that money that I want, you guys will know that dress fast dress. The clothes I used to wear, the clothes I've worn in uni days, since my days in uni ben, no addition, maybe little addition, but no major addition to my clothes. That all the clothes I've been wearing in school, like the one I want to wear today now is a top and a trouser. This is what I've been wearing in uni ben. So when people see me and be like, ah, you dress fine, I'm like, I've been getting compliments back to back. I don't know, I started using a new skincare routine. Should I announce the brand? Wait first, let me calm down first. So you see anything that partake to skincare, all these beauty enhancement, I am very scared to talk about them because everybody's skin differ. If I recommend this brand now, for example, and you use it, for me now I'm showing that my skin is fresh and everything, and it not work for you, come and drag me. So I'm very scared to talk about all this skincare brand, all this makeup brand too. I'm very scared. Me personally, I love my natural self. You see, I know they use filter. Like all my videos, people don't even believe I don't have Snapchat on my phone. I say it a lot. I don't have Snapchat on my phone. Then how is a video like this? Yes, I will color grade it and correct it. That is it. So I don't use all those filters. I prefer, like right now, see, nothing is moving. My natural face. I love using my natural face because I know my natural face is God try for me. So when I get compliment that you look good, I'm like, now the clothes I wear for school be this, so these are the clothes I've been wearing for like, let me say, 3 to 4 years now. No change, no adjustment. Although I know now I am fuller, like my body size, yes, and some part of my body is now very organized, unlike before. I think maybe that is why they feel I look good in those clothes. But those are the clothes I've been wearing since, and I'm not going to like So today I'm going to wear a pink gown. I've already selected it. I'm talking fast because the rest of this video is going to be a voiceover. I just came back. I want to quickly bathe before 9. I want to leave the house. It's currently 8:24. I want to leave the house by 9 maximum. So I will bathe now and dress up so that we leave the house. Is there any other thing I want to do today? Yes, there's something I want to do today, but it's a personal assignment. I don't want to discuss it on the internet. It's a personal assignment, sure. It's between me and my creator. I want to reach out to someone. I don't know the person right now. I'm speaking now, I don't know the person, but I believe my creator is going to guide me to the person. I'm going to meet the person today, and I want to give the person something. So that's what we're going to do today. Aside work, I'm going to work. I don't know if I said it, but I'm going to work today, and I want to reach out to that person. After that, I'm coming home. That is all for today, guys. During Ramadan, I don't like stressing myself. I just pray I have the life I dream of. During Ramadan, I don't want my family to even work at all. Like, I don't want anybody to work during Ramadan. I just want us to be making ibadah. That month, just take leave or take, what do they call it? Just stay at home and worship Allah. Sincerely, that is the kind of life I dream of. During Ramadan is a special month. Remember the personal assignment I told you guys about? So that was what I was doing here. When I do things, sometimes I tend to question myself, why am I doing this? And the truth is, I have no reason why I'm doing it. I know this is my personal assignment on earth, and I just have to fulfill all my personal assignments before leaving this earth. May Allah give me the strength. After arranging my stuff, I decided to get ready for work. Before you laugh at my shoe, I know I need to get a new shoe, but there's no money for now. Inshallah, when I have the money, I will get a new working shoe. Inshallah, if Allah wills. So I always carry this green towel in form of an handkerchief in case of maybe the chair is dirty or I want to clean the seat of anything. I always use this green handkerchief. And before I forget, always use a spray. Please, I'm not saying you should use something that is very loud that people will be able to perceive, but there are various kind of perfumes and body mist that you can use. When you pass, people will not perceive it, but you feel good using them. Don't smell, please, especially if you are using a public bus or a means of transportation that a lot of people would use. Please try to smell nice. On this day, I was feeling good actually. I never knew that the devil had his own plan. Before you leave your house, guys, always pray. I don't know why on this day I had to pray. Like I prayed before I left the house. I don't know why, but my mind was just like, I shall pray, and I did that. I started the journey. At first, I was even shining my teeth. I did not know what is waiting for me in the front. Yes, that's how we started this journey. We were going peacefully until the driver said he wanted to take another route. Maybe if I had known, I'd have said I want to calm down. No, guys, that is how I follow. He shall carry us and pass one place that I do not know. I've not passed that place in my life before. I have no idea where the place is. All I knew is we started climbing one hill. The next thing, the bus stopped. That was how they were pushing, then it started moving again. Guys, it was not a small journey. People were just praying, different kind of prayers. People were speaking in tongues. At a point, the conductor, because I was beside the door, it was not like you know they pray. Because one thing about me is before I leave my house, I always pray. And I have built a relationship with my creator that if something is going to happen to me, I will get a sign. Maybe my outfit will just tear before I leave my door. I will just get a sign that will make me stay at home. So I just have this peace and assurance that nothing is going to happen to me. We're going, the conductor, because the passengers were very hungry. So we're like, why did the driver pass that road? Different things. So the conductor had to get us water. He got us pure water. Although I was fasting on this day, so I told him I don't want. I gave my own to another passenger. After that, we came down from the vehicle. Guys, I have to go to the mall to appreciate my creator. So guys, we are crossing the road now. I'm crossing the road fast and we find I went to do sujood shukr, sujood of thanks, sujood of appreciation. Then I went to see my sister Iseme. You guys meet my beautiful sister. She's my colleague and my Edo sister. Gorgeousness. My sister is so funny. The other outfit. Yeah, take it. I should drink it? Yes. I wanted to do an advert for this brand. You know one thing about me, I love running free ads for brands, especially small businesses. I just want to see everybody succeed in life. That is one thing about me.
You're really serious about this advert?
Yeah, let's go. Then after that, I went to pray. It was time for Zuhr. I went to pray in the mosque. After that, I started heading home. By the way, I want to say Abuja is a very beautiful city. Like, very beautiful. I don't think people say it enough. Abuja is a beautiful city. Guys, would you believe what I saw when I was coming back? People started fighting, you know. I said, now God really saved me today. The bus I entered. The next day, one person wanted to bring knife home. That's why I calm down or more. Where we not tell people where I go. They didn't know hear bad news about us. So guys, I just remember that I did not give the things I came with. Due to everything I went through today, I forgot to give the bag to the person I told you guys I was going to give. But I still went back to give that person. So guys, I'm going out. We are going out again with this bag. We are going to drop it now. So that is all for today's video. I hope you enjoyed watching a day in the life of a couple where they serve a father's land for Abuja. Please like, share and subscribe. Leave a comment. Tell me what you think about this video and I will see you in my next video. Bye.
Not connected. It's my block face. They can't even see me.
They can see you. Princey. Collins.
People are writing for other people. So I will do that at least for the first time.